Hey everyone, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas. So since I've been doing so many different floral nail art tutorials, I decided I had to kind of get creative with the names. So we are calling these flowers loose flowers, and I'm going to explain that in just a second. We're going to take an up-close look before we get into the tutorial. Basically, these are flowers that don't take any precision. You do need a fine-tipped brush for some of it, but for the most part, it's really just loose and fluid lines. There's nothing like super particular. So now let's get into the tutorial. First off, you want to start with a white base. As you can see, I already put on one coat and I am adding a second coat for just extra full coverage. You can use whatever your fancy favorite white is. I don't know why I said fancy, just your favorite. And now I'm going in with a pink sparkly polish, and I'm kind of just using the brush, as you can see, and blobbing different sections onto my nail. You want to put those on wherever you want your flowers to be. As you can see, I did do a connected flower. You can skip that or you can do that. Now, as you are seeing, I have gone in with watered down green acrylic paint, and I am just putting on some leaves, some in sets of two, some's in ones. It's just all up to you and fully up to your creative rights. Now I'm going with more of a like magenta-y acrylic paint. That one is at full pigment, meaning it's straight out of the bottle. I didn't water it down or anything. And I'm just putting like little parentheses marks all over the flower, little squiggly lines. Like I said at the beginning, it does not have to be precise. If you want to do like little waves, you can do that. Whatever you want to do, you just want to keep it in like a circular motion to create the shape of your flower, which is giving you the illusion of petals, which is really fun. And as you can see, it's kind of like sloppily done, but at the same time, it looks like it took a lot more work than it actually did, which is kind of fun and great to have on your nails. And for this design, I have done it on two of my nails, and then I did the sparkly polish on the other two nails. You could do it on just one if you would like, or you could make it a full manicure and do all your nails. Really, like I said, the possibilities are endless. Now for the flower centers, this part is optional, but I decided to go in with some gold acrylic paint and just dot in the centers to give it a little extra something. And now I'm going to apply a shiny top coat. Again, you could do matte, but for this, since I have sparkles, I like the shiny. And once your top coat is dry, you are good to go. As you can see, here is the final mani. For the particular polishes that I used in this video, I will have those in the description box below. And if these are indie polishes because we're doing an indie week with the digital dozen, and if those indie polishes are still available, I will add some links. So there's your final look at it all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this, because I have a lot of video ideas that I want to do. It's just a matter of time. So thank you guys again for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you all next time. Bye! Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and check out the previous video on the left and see what's suggested for you on the right.